So yo guys, what's up? It's a man and it's woman feedback with the video guys. Today I'm gonna show you the bugs which I found in iOS 14 beta feature. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to me. And let's go into the video guys, come on. Now coming to the bug number one guys, the bug number one is in the Instagram app. So Instagram app crashes quite often. So now I can see the Instagram app is working quite fine, but it always used to crash before, and now also it crashes quite often, and it's like a once in a blue moon kind of a crash. But it's also a bug which Instagram needs to take care and Apple needs to take care in the iOS 14 guys. So I won't say more about Instagram app as the bugs may vary. I am getting the bug, you may not get a bug on iOS 14. So now let's go into the bug number 2, and from here the Apple apps start. Now coming to the bug number 2 guys, the bug number 2 is in the Messages app. So whenever I get an OTP or any verification code from my bank or from Facebook or from WhatsApp or from YouTube, I don't get it on the home screen, or I don't get any pop-up notification. Instead, every time I need to go into the messages. So now also the OTP came, and next thing which I don't like is the emoji. I use it more often. So whenever I am in any lighting circumstances, it shows me low light. So now it's showing you the low light, but actually I'm in a well lit environment, whereas the front you can see there's been a black there, but on the background side it's quite lighter. So here you can see, and even now the stickers are crashing a lot for me. And if any one of you are using an iPhone 10 or 1, please comment down below if your stickers are also crashing a lot guys. And now coming into the another bug, that's the call bug, which I would say, yeah, the name which I kept. And the one thing which you can see, whenever we get a call, whether it's in iOS 13 or 12, when we slide down it just goes and calls the person. But now in iOS 14 it doesn't do it, and it's been a big nuisance for me. Every time I need to go and I need to click the caller and call him or her, and then only the call goes. I think Apple needs to implement old feature into this too, and I don't know whether it's a feature or bug. For me it's a bug. Please comment down below whether it's a feature or bug. And now coming into the famous storage bug. The famous storage bug is as much famous, it's more famous than my channel. I have been featured the storage bug in more than like 3 videos. Each and every iOS video has this storage bug, and I was happy when I updated to beta 3 that there was no storage bug. But when I kept on using this phone for a week, I came to know that the bug is still there. And now the bug is that it doesn't take up space. Now the bug is weird that it doesn't take the space at all. And when we go and see into the system, it takes like 7.5 GB. I would say like it's okay when compared to the previous beta. But here the other system just keeps calculating, and this calculation never ends. When I keep it on the settings there, you can see the calculating there. This calculation doesn't end. I don't know like what calculating it does in other. So when I go back and come into the iPhone storage, the other shows as a 0 KB. I don't know like how it can show like a 0 KB. It's also a bug which Apple needs to rectify guys. Now coming into the Siri bug. So Siri also has some bugs guys. So let me just open the Siri there. So hey Siri, how are you? So guys, you can see when I ask Siri how are you, it says and hey. So now let me ask hey Siri how are you, and if I ask in the second time, it shows I am fine and thanks for asking. And I don't know what happened to Siri. Has Siri also lost his mind? I think so. And now coming into the next bug guys, this is the battery bug. I didn't think I will make a feature on the battery too, because the battery has been very good for me. But now after this update, the battery has been like pathetic. The screen on time average I use is like 4 hours. The battery just comes for 4 hours or 5 hours, but before it used to last a day. So you can see I had charged it like 100%, but now the screen on time is like 3 hours 38 minutes, and it has lost it has lost the battery, like 57% of the battery, like 47% of the battery has been lost. And here you can see I don't use the messages or my phone a lot rather than calling people. So I could just say that please don't update to this iOS 14 if you are a battery monger, or if you use your phone for a high intensive battery task like playing games, PUBG, Call of Duty, or any other thing. And now coming into the battery health, guys, after I updated to iOS 14, the maximum capacity has reduced to 95%. Before that it was like around 98 or 99%. So if you want your battery health to be like 100%, don't update to iOS 14, guys. So that's it for the video, guys. And some of you people have been commenting that you need the jailbreak video. The jailbreak video will be coming out quite soon. And if you are watching this video till now, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. And if there are any bugs, please comment down below. I will cover it in my next video. So till then, it's your man Anis from Anis Geek signing off. Bye bye.